Hello and good day to my future employer. My name is Roslyn, 52 years old. I'm single. My highest educational background is college level for 2 years, taking of associate in computer science. I'm working here in Hong Kong for 19 years for 4 employers. In 3 employers, I'm finished contract, but in one employer, I break the contract because my current employer hired me. I am willing to take care of pets. If ever the child or kid that I taking care is sick, first thing to do is to tell my employer and wait for his or her instructions. If ever my employer is not around, I will do the housework chores, take care of the kids, and give them food. To maintain a good relationship to my employer, I make sure that I will listen and follow all the instructions given to me and always communicate with them. I will be remain faithful, trustworthy, and honest to my work inside and outside of their house. To my future employer, please hire me because I am hardworking, responsible, dedicated, and passionate with my work. I will love you, your kids, and treat them as my own family. I promise to finish my contract. Thank you and God bless.